Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. It's Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Our company specializes in commercial diesel parts, and our products include the injector, the valve assembly, the pumps, the repair kit, and ICV valve, etc. And today we're going to introduce you one of our control valve. Let's share it together. Firstly is the outside packages. It is kind of VCI anti-rust bag. Here this is the product SKU, and that's the product code F00RJ02012. And here Caitlin wants to mention that for this kind of logo, the labeled packages, etc., we can support customized service. And now I will open it to see the inside. And inside, as you can see, is this kind of transparent bottles, and it's very hard. It can be better prevent some damages during the transplantation. And you can roll it in this way, and that's the oil paper. Generally, we use the oil paper to wrap it up. That's the whole side. Actually, we're not only selling the whole side, we also sell the separate part, like this kind of the valve cap or this valve rods. And if you look carefully, you will find on the valve cap there with the coating figures here, and that's the valve rods. For our product, we have the quality guaranteed 6 months warranty time. In this period, any other customers, if you're not satisfied with the quality, we can return or exchange it. And here, Caitlin has 3 tips I want to share with you. The first tip is if you want to clean this valve assembly, you'd better to clean it with the oil. Don't clean it with the water. The second tip is if you want to install it, make sure the valve cap in the right position. The third tip is make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly of the injector body. So much for the introduction. Okay, any product, if you're interested, please feel free to contact us. You can follow us at YouTube or the Facebook account. I really appreciate. And also, we have the WhatsApp, the email address, and our website. Feel free to contact us. So much for today. Let's see you next time. Have a good day. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you. Bye-bye.